Welcome to episode 3 of the Munchbox. You know what they say? If you can't stand the heat, then get out the kitchen. And well, William, he's not here. So alongside me today, we have our sweet treat specialist, Joe.
Hi. This week we have a classic mobile TuffBench crumble. A superb sweet treat you can enjoy all year round.
Can you resist a multi-purpose workbench that has locking casters, a beer cooler?
Don't tell them everything.
So we're going to start with a traditional free-range mobile TuffBench. A wonderful treat all by itself.
But we're going to hack the recipe and scoop in some extra treats to sweeten it up a bit. If you want the recipe, click here. I don't know where the link is.
Now, it's got plenty of air in the secure cabinet, which makes it light and fluffy. And a 5-lever deadlock to lock in the flavour.
We're going to put a modern twist on this by adding in an organic wooden top.
That gives it the crispy topping to complement the fluffiness in the centre.
Now we're going to grab some quality vices, some good fresh ones. Just make sure they're ripe and firm.
And we're going to very gently place them onto the surface we've created.
You've got to place them on, don't drop them.
Now look at that. This brings two classic puds together. All organic, fill your boots.
So that's that. You can get this from Armorgard already fixed up, and we make it fresh for you every time you order.
Oh, and it doesn't have a beer cooler, but if it did, it'd be perfect for a man cave.